Hello everybody, this is Nick from BIMpure. This is the second video in our series about vibe coding inside of Revit, where we use AI to quickly automate boring tasks. In this one, we'll be trying out the Revit Python Shell free plugin for Revit and keep using ChatGPT to automate the boring task. It will be starting with the same boring task as last time, where we renumber doors based on the rooms they're placed in. For example, this door should be 100-1 or something along those lines. So let me open ChatGPT right here. In this case, I'm using the BIMpure GPT, where I simply fed a bit of extra information about the Revit API, including giving an example of scripts and giving links to accurate and up-to-date Revit API information. And I will paste the prompt that I've used last time, where I gave all the instructions. So find all the doors in the new construction phase, find the two-room information for all of the doors, and then update the mark value following a specific series of number and dash, and including instruction what happens in case Revit cannot find specific information. And asking ChatGPT, is there anything missing or that you need, or you're ready to actually write the script? Last time though, we were playing with Python script inside of Dynamo. So let me just delete this, and I will say, I want to create Python code for inside the Revit Python Shell in Revit 2026 to renumber doors based on the room they are placed in. Something else that would be smart to do in this case is if you open the Python Shell, you can have some information. This is using Python 3.4.2 and Netcore, whatever this is. So I will just copy this information. You don't even have to know what it means, and just paste it in. And just the more information we give to ChatGPT, the better. And then, yeah, just send a prompt and we'll see what ChatGPT comes up to. All right, so this is a detailed brief, and a few things to confirm. Are some rooms duplicated or grouped? Should we zero pad the door index? So I can say, don't zero pad. So basically just answering ChatGPT question. And I really like the fact that he's asking that, so I can have a more accurate script. Rooms duplicated, no rooms duplicated or grouped. Should existing mark values should be overridden, even if not blank? Yes, override all marks. Do you want to skip doors if they don't have any room association, or log them with a warning? Yeah, just skip them, I guess. All right, and then you press enter and it's gonna give more information. Let's see what's going on. Okay, and if you scroll down, you're gonna see the script, and it's confirming that it's with the Revit Python Shell using Python 3.4.2. So I can wait until it's complete. All right, so let's just click on copy right here, go back to Revit, to the Python Shell, paste the script, click on run. And it says rooms renumber based on two room from room. And you can see that indeed all of the rooms have been renumbered. So it's been quite straightforward and fast. And you can even save this while you're done as a .py. Okay, now let's try something different, another task that we could try to automate. And I will paste the beginning of the instruction with the information about Python, although this is something I could include in the custom GPT, so I don't have to type it every single time. But I want to change the name of some rooms. All right, get the room names, replace all room text by pure instead. Any questions? So we'll see what ChatGPT tells us about it. Yeah, I think it's extremely simple, so it just doesn't really ask much. So I can click on copy, open the Python Shell, paste it, click on run, and it says rename zero room. Oh yeah, I know why. That's because they're all in caps. So let me get back to ChatGPT. Room is in all caps in the file. And then he's gonna modify the script so it's room in all caps and all uppercase. Let's try it out again. open the Python shell, paste it there, click on run, and it has renamed 4 rooms. Now have Vibe Pure, Chill Pure, Mid Pure, and Magical Pure. These are great room names. If you have enjoyed this video, enroll to BIM Pure to unlock our complete collection of courses, live events, and downloads on Revit. Get courses and content about AI and automation. Join now at bimpure.com.